Hey, see how he changed his path to go around it even? Is that a crawler or what, man? No, like, hi. Go get her. Shorty.
Take care.
Move the car out of the way, babe. Actually, no, it's kind of a good barrier, I guess. He wants that cat. Be nice. you're gonna, you're gonna get bit. Get in, easy. She's being such a good cat, though. Easy, babe. Get I help her. Help her. Wow, she's just laying there. She's gonna bite him, babe. Careful, careful. She's gonna bite him. She didn't even do it. What a good kitty. Oh my gosh, I thought he was going to. She's so scared, though. Go get her.